you seen the old man in the closed down market, kicking up the papers with his worn out shoes? In his eyes you see no pride, and held loosely at his side yesterday's paper telling yesterday's news. So how can you tell me you're lonely, and it's safe for you that the sun don't shine? Well, let me take you by the hand and lead you through the streets of London. I'll show you something to make you change your mind. And have you seen the old girl who walks the streets of London, dirt in her hair and her clothes in rags? She's no time for talking, she just keeps right on walking, carrying her home in 2 carrier bags. So how can you tell me you're lonely, and it's safe for you that the sun don't shine? Let me take you by the hand and lead you through the streets of London. I'll show you something to make you change your mind. And in the all-night cafe at 11:15, same old man sitting there on his own, looking at the world over the rim of his teacup, and each tea lasts an hour, and he wanders home alone. So how can you tell me that you're lonely? It's safe for you that the sun don't shine. Or let me take you by the hand and lead you through the streets of London. I'll show you something to make you change your mind. Have you seen the old man outside the seaman's mission? Memory fading with the metal ribbons that he wears. And in our winter city, the rain cries a little pity for one more forgotten hero and a world that doesn't care. So how can you tell me that you're lonely? It's safe for you that the sun don't shine. Or let me take you by the hand and lead you through the streets of London. I'll show you something to make you change your mind.
Move over here, come on, sit down beside me. We're closer now, come and put your arms around me. Oh, you had a bad day too, and I feel the same as you. Come on, sit down. It's just that when I get mad, I end up saying things if I thought about I wouldn't ever say. And I think that you already know that, but I say it anyway. Oh, I say it anyway. It's just that when I get mad, I end up saying things if I thought about I wouldn't ever say. And I think that you already know that, but I say it anyway. Oh, I say it anyway. Don't let the day go down, the two of us still fighting. It's not a storm at all. No, it's only summer lightning, and we still